Okay, here we are. I'm checking out the handheld portable turbo fan. 5 wind speeds. The wind is surging. Small and compact. Let's check it out. Because I be hot. See, this is going to cool me off. Oh, my. I'm already liking the color. Okay, here we go. Oh. Okay, let's see. Look at the color. Oh, my goodness. How do we turn this on? Okay. The front. You turn the right there. 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My people, I highly recommend. Okay, now how do I charge this thing? Because I'm out a lot and about. Okay, what's inside of here? Inside of it is, oh my goodness, there is something to charge it up. That's the port here to charge it. I'm sure it's going to be, oh, this air feels good. Oh, my goodness. This air feels amazing. This thing is like a game changer. Come on, come loose here. Come loose, come loose, come loose, come loose. I see a port. Where's the port at? The port is on the back. Very easy to do. So you take the piece, put it directly in the back just like this. Oh, my goodness. And you plug it into a port there. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get you one for a very, very low price. What are you waiting for? Not 5 stars. This is 10 stars.
Okay, so I recently bought this fan. I took it to Disney World to a very long, very hot cheer competition. I used it. My daughter used it. My son used it. It stayed charged almost all day. I think we charged it every night just because we wanted to use it the next day, but it never ran out of charge on us, and we used it quite a bit. So here's the levels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 the best.
All right, here's our fan. Speed 1, 2, 3. There's our USB port. So it comes with 5 speeds, both cold air for sure. I still have the piece on there. Here's a size comparison, my hands.
So this is the fan. It's pretty lightweight. It also comes with USB and USB. So it has 5 speeds. Currently it is on
This is the thing, it doesn't work. As you can see, it's on full battery. Turn it up, nothing happening. Not on. Holding it down, just doesn't work. Nothing.
This rechargeable Amazon fan is so good. It has a digital screen and it lasted us an entire 3 hours while we went to an outdoor concert this weekend. Other people in our group had different fans, but this one was by far the strongest.